cafes, two completely different vibes. One is known for its aesthetic interiors, while the other is known for its massive menu and amazing desserts. But if you could only visit one, which one should it be? Today we're comparing two amazing cafes in Bangalore, Beige and Zero Degree. Hey everyone, my name is Himanshi and welcome to Spinny City. If you like discovering new places in Bangalore, then make sure to like and do subscribe. Today we're comparing two popular cafes head to head. Walking into Beige, the first thing you'll notice is its calm but grand interior. Neutral beige colors, Arabic vibes, elegant decor and plenty of natural lighting, making it perfect for relaxing. It's a kind of cafe where you'd want to spend hours talking to your friends or just working on your laptop. Let's talk about the food. Beige offers a cafe-style menu with a lot of options. The presentation of every dish is so nice that it makes it perfect for food photography or Instagram pictures. Since Beige is a premium cafe, the prices are slightly on a higher side. But you're also paying for the ambience, presentation and the overall dining experience. Now let's talk about the night time because that's when the cafe really comes alive. If you're looking for a calm, cozy evening with soft lightings, meaningful conversations and a relaxed atmosphere, Beige is the better choice. As soon as the sun sets down and the lamps are lit, the place gives such an amazing Arabian desert vibe that you are totally consumed by the charm of the place. Overall, Beige is an amazing choice if you're looking for a peaceful cafe or simply a place where you want to unwind with good food and a peaceful setting. But now, if Beige is about elegance, then our next cafe takes a completely different turn. Welcome to Zero Degree. Unlike Beige, Zero Degree immediately grabs your attention with its colorful interior, energetic atmosphere and a lively vibe. This cafe feels much more casual and fun, making it a great place to hang out with a group of friends. One of the biggest highlights over here is its menu. Zero Degree serves almost everything. The variety is huge over here, so almost everyone can find something that they enjoy. And I also feel like Zero Degree gives a lot like Bali vibes, you know. Another reason why Zero Degree is popular among youngsters and students is that it offers good value for money. Compared to many premium cafes, the prices are more affordable. If you're in a mood for a lively outing with friends, amazing lighting and upbeat music, and a more energetic crowd, Zero Degree definitely takes the win. One of the coolest things about Zero Degree is its canopy seating, which feels more cozy and slightly tucked away. It's a perfect place to sit with your friend, have a nice meal, and have a long conversation. vibes, it really depends on the kind of evening you're looking for. Peaceful and aesthetic, or just fun and full of energy? So now, time for the final comparison. Beige focuses on elegance, calm interiors, and premium dinings. 0 Degree focuses on variety, fun, and colorful ambience. We cannot prove either one of the cafe better than other. They simply just offer different experiences. So which cafe would you choose? Let me know down in the comments. See you in another place in another video. Bye!